What's up?
This is how old motherfuckers tint windows. Take the whole fucking window out and tint the fucking window. But he could just put my motherfucking window in my car and tint the motherfucking window.
What's up?
You see what I'm saying? So I had to put a fucking window motor in it. This nigga take the whole window out to re-tint my damn window. I ain't got time for this shit today, man. I'm on a scroll right now. Come on, man. Get this shit right, man. Alright. This nigga, man. Think he doing me a favor. Stupid ass. Don't step on my shit now. I got a sunroof in this shit. You see the back of the head. Ceiling fan head ass, boy. I got that Lightning McQueen head ass, boy. Digital dash head ass, boy. I can see clearly now. Head ass, nigga. Stop playing with me. Hey, man. I ain't gonna steal you because you're on the phone right now.
You ain't gonna stop. You know what?
Yeah.
You better get some of your little friends on the Snapchat to come on down here and try to save your family.
That's valid. Hey, I'm tune out before I have to drop his old ass, alright? Y'all be safe out here.
Look for the next video, say old head knocks fat nigga out.